Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Cybersecurity AI guy. I'm a professional cybersecurity expert. I'm also an AI engineer. So I'm sure you're all aware of what's been happening lately is that with the emergence of AI, hackers have now upped their game. They're now using AI for cybersecurity attacks. So an example of how hackers are using AI is by generating phishing emails, AI generated phishing email. So an example of a phishing email is that let's say for example you get an email from your bank asking you to update your payment information and your password. So the said email will also provide a link to which you navigate to and be able to change your email or let's say your password and your payment information. So the moment you do that, then the hackers will automatically have access to your personal information, your bank password, and your credit card information. By then, everything is gone. But the same way hackers are using AI for attack, we can also use AI to defend against cybersecurity attacks. So I built an educational tool that uses AI to detect AI-generated scam phishing email. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So I'm also going to provide a link to my GitHub link to a repository that has the ScamGPT AI 2. So from there you'll be able to either clone or download the AI educational tool. Also make sure you have Python installed, the latest version of Python installed on either Windows or Linux. For the tool to work on your device, you are going to need a Grok API. I'm going to show you how to Grok is the AI we're using. The Grok API is the AI we're using for Scam GPT 2 to work. So I'm going to show you how to obtain the app. So for this tool to work properly, you also need to have a stable internet connection. So I'm also going to show you in the video how to obtain a Grok API key and how to use it in our Sage project. So this is the repository that has the ScamGPT. It has a README tool that describes how the AI tool should be used. So you navigate to, I'm also going to provide the link to the Grok API. You create API key, or you click on create API key. An API key will be generated and you copy and paste that API key. It's the one we're going to use later on in our So I'm now going to paste the repository link, open a terminal on my laptop, and I'm going to create a folder. Let's call the folder ScamGPT. So after I create the folder, I'm going to navigate to the folder, and then that's where I'm going to clone the repository to. So it just takes a while. You need to have a stable internet connection. So after the cloning is done, we're going to, my favorite tool I like to use is Visual Studio Code. I believe it's the best programming tool if you are starting out as a beginner. So just going to open the clone repository in Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so after opening the clone repository in Visual Studio Code, I'm going to open a terminal directly from Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to install the necessary libraries that will enable our tool to work. So you just after you open a terminal, you just navigate to the terminal itself and just type pip install requirements.txt. So what this is going to do is that it's going to install all the necessary libraries that were used in the creating of this tool. So after that, we're also going to now create. So when you navigate to the .env.example file, this contains the Grok models that were used, the Grok models that we're using, and it also provide a provision where you'll be able to paste the API key that you obtained from the Grok website. We'll paste the API key here. So I'm just going to use my own API key that I already generated. I'm going to paste it here. Then after the pasting is done, we're going to create a separate file. We're going to call it .env. So we're going to get everything that's is dot. So after that, when you try to open the file or the other ScamGPT 2 by running the file name GUI underscore launcher.py, the 2 is not going to run because we don't have a .env file. So I'm going to go back to VS Studio Code and create a new file named .env file. So then we're going to copy everything that's in the .env.example file and copy the .env file. Then when you come back, that's when the tool run properly. So after all that, this is the ScamGPT 2 now. After it opens, so when it opens, you'll be able to see multiple options, educational options. There is the analyze email option. This is the one I'm going to demonstrate in this video. There's a generate phishing email option. This will help to show you how phishing emails are created and how they are generated. Then there are defense strategies. Here you'll be able to type what defense strategies are used in cybersecurity to protect against phishing scams. You'll be able to teach yourself how to analyze. Let's say if you receive an email from Google, you'll be able to tell, using this tool, you'll be able to teach yourself and then be able to tell whether this email received from Google is genuine or fake. So I'm now going to demonstrate how the AI scam detection 2x. So I'm going to paste an actual email that I received from a person pretending to be from Google, an actual email that I received asking me to change my password. So this is an actual real case scenario of a phishing scam email that I received. So I'm just going to paste it here and then click on analyze email, and the AI 2 is going to analyze the email and determine whether it's false or fake. So I'm just going to click on analyze. So even before you click on analyze, just looking at the email itself, it looks genuine in itself. If you look at the subject, it says agent verify Google account. Sender, it says from google.security.team.at gmail.com to me. It says Google user have detected suspicious activity on your Google account. Our systems has noticed that your account. So these are common tactics that hackers use. So they always try to emphasize on agency. They always try to give you an ultimatum saying if you don't change your email, if you don't change your, let's say, login details within 24 hours, your account will be forced to lock. So the common after you the analysis tactics that most cybersecurity experts use is that for example, Google never, the only official domain from Google is google.com. You never receive an email from Google. Let's say the email received here says google.security.team@gmail.com. That automatically is a first red flag. Google only sends emails from google.com. So that I'm going to click on analyze. So after the analysis is done here, you can be able to tell the AI itself, rather be able to tell you it's a suspicious email, to be able to tell you why it's flagged this email as a phishing email, the likelihood of it being a scam email. Here it says it's 95%. Yeah, so this is one of the ways that cybersecurity people in cybersecurity are using AI to defend against cybersecurity attacks or AI-backed cybersecurity attacks. So thank you. That's all I had for you. Don't forget to hit that. So that's all I had for you. Don't forget to hit and click the like and subscribe. This is all I had for you. Don't forget to hit and click the like and subscribe button. Cyber AI guy out. Stay AI safe.